Anambra State House of Assembly Committee on Works and Infrastructure has expressed satisfaction with the progress of the ongoing construction of Awgbu Amaetiti Okpeze Ndiukwuenu Road awarded by the Anambra State Government. The committee chairman and member representing Urumba South constituency, Engineer Imawa, made this known during an oversight of the road project. Correspondent Emmanuel Chigbata tells us more.
According to Engineer Nwafo, the 16-kilometer road is a major infrastructural investment aimed at improving connectivity and enhancing socio-economic activities in the area, noting that the lawmakers were pleased with the level of work done so far, as heavy-duty machines were seen actively engaged at different sections of the site. He urged the contractors to adhere to the project timeline and ensure quality execution and timely completion in line with the contractual agreement. Speaking on behalf of the construction firm, the project engineer, Engineer Charles Aban, assured the lawmakers of their commitment to delivering a durable and high-standard road, noting that significant progress had been made in some areas.
It's a very big project, so we are here, we are satisfied, we saw equipment moving. For now, there's no problem. Hope to be completed in 18 months.
The project is designed or awarded to span for 18 months, and we have put in all our resources and a work plan to make sure that on or before 18 months this project will be realized.
Emmanuel Chigbata for ABS News.